Hello, it's been a while since I last updated the Plant With Me series. This video, I'm going to talk about propagating the Anthurium Crystallinum. They are known for their velvety leaves and its beautiful veins across the foliage. In order to propagate this, I'll have to divide the branch with some of the aerial roots attached. It can be a little tricky since the internode for this plant is very short. I'm using a knife and try to carefully cut this through. The cutting looks like this, with a little of the root system intact. I will be water propagating these two cuttings and share it with my mates. It's been 2 weeks and the roots are long enough for potting. The potting medium I use consists of perlite and cocoa chips. The Anthurium Crystallinum prefers to be humid and dried out a little before each watering. In this kind of medium, I generally water it about every 3 days apart. When this is stabilized, I will be giving this away to a friend. In case you're wondering what happened to the other cutting, I have given it away while it was in water propagation. That's all for today. Bye!